What's the one that's like?
I dreaming of a
White Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. All right, folks, get in the holiday spirit. Put on your Christmas vest or sweater. Done. We're about to letter and calligraph this holiday card that has a snowflake on it. If you missed the part where I painted this snowflake, there's gonna be a link to the video in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And in this particular video, we're gonna be lettering Happy Holidays with our calligraphy pens. And also, to that point, if you don't know how to use a calligraphy pen, I've got a bunch of tutorials for you in getting started with calligraphy, so make sure you check out those videos. They'll also be linked below. But for now, let's get started. We're gonna letter Happy Holidays, and let's do this. Okay, so I know that this is my middle point, and I want my third letter, because it's a 5-letter word, to land around here. And so I'm going to start with happy, and making sure that I'm really light on these hairlines because it's bumpy watercolor paper, and so if I press too hard, it is going to stop my flow. And I still have a long ways to go till the middle point, so I'm going to just stretch out that ascender and get about halfway, as close as I can. Happy. And again, this is my middle point, so we have H-O-L-I-D-A-Y-S. What is that? 8. 4.5. Okay, so we need about 4.5 letters. Coming up on our 4th letter. Perfect. So if you want a letter with a different color ink than black, you can watch my video on Mother's Day cards, and I go over how to mix up your own ink, like gold or red or blue or green. But now we are all done. All right, so that's it, pretty basic. If you don't know calligraphy, again, I highly recommend you watch those tutorial videos on how to use a pointed pen. And if you haven't seen the video on how to make this snowflake, we're gonna link it below along with the supplies and our other greeting card video, which is a holiday wreath, some red and green for you, and some Merry Christmas. Watch those videos, and I hope you like it. I would love to hear from you what your favorite all-time go-to Christmas song is for the holiday season. I'm just feeling all sorts of holiday cheer right now, and it's not even Thanksgiving yet, and I need it. I need it. John is a after Thanksgiving type of person, and that drives me crazy. I want to listen to Christmas music now. After Halloween, I feel like is fair game for anybody. If that's not you, just let me know in the comments below who's Team John, who's Team Jenna, because I don't know. To me, it's fair game. It makes me enjoy Thanksgiving even more, the more holiday stuff there is, more Christmas holiday stuff there is. So let us know in the comments below who you side with, John or Jenna, and I'll see you in the next video.
To be clear, I believe, as much as I want it to be Christmas right now, I think that Thanksgiving just needs its time. And so my personal philosophy on this is, even though I want it to be Christmas now, I have to wait until the day after Thanksgiving. That's when the Christmas decor comes out and the tree goes up.
Liar. Here's my
This is
argument.
just for
Can I
the
tell
aesthetics.
my side of the story? Can I speak?
Yes.
So for my pre-Thanksgiving types, here's my argument, and I feel like it's a really, really sound and good argument. Is especially for us Southern Californians, we don't have the snow, we don't have the pine trees, we have palm trees, we have 75 degrees. I'm not saying this to like humble brag, but like during Thanksgiving, to enjoy it more, I've always been able to enjoy Thanksgiving more with holiday music and with the holiday cheer because I don't have the snow outside, okay? And I feel like Christmas is the time to enjoy for a longer period than just December 1st to the 25th.
And
it's so cute.
Let me say, it is very cute, but there's also fall Thanksgiving type decor that gets you in the mood for the holiday that is yet to arrive.
However,
then once Thanksgiving has come, then you're in the fall mood with pumpkins and cornucopias, and pumpkins are fall, squash, cornucopias, cornucopii.
No.
Pilgrims.
Listen, that means you have to store,
Turkeys.
as a homeowner, that means you have to store 2 different seasons worth of decorations.
Oh,
I'm not about to do that.
Well, let me be clear. I have no interest in doing that. I don't want Thanksgiving decor.
Let's put out the holidays.
I'm just saying it doesn't do Thanksgiving justice.
Yes, it does. It absolutely does. It enhances Thanksgiving. It enhances the mood. Everything.
Okay, we're done here.
So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video, and definitely make sure to comment below what you think to settle this argument once and for all.
That's where it stops.